Succulent plant stores water in their leaves, stems and roots and are well adapted to different climates. You can follow these tips for caring for succulent in a container at home. Keep succulent clean, wipe off the leaves and spines gently with a cloth. Succulent needs to be watered thoroughly but infrequently. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering it again. Rotate succulents frequently. Succulents will lean towards the sun, so rotating them will also help them stand up straight. Use a well-draining soil mix such as cactus or a succulent mix to prevent water from accumulating in the bottom of the pot. You need to make sure that you make enough drainage holes in the container so that any excess water has been drained from the pot. Succulent needs plenty of bright indirect sunlight. Place the succulent plant in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Succulents do not need to be fertilized often, but you can give them a boost by applying a balanced water-soluble fertilizer once a month during the growing season. By following these tips, definitely you can help your succulents thrive in a container at your home.